DIY queen. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today, by the title, we are going to be doing a DIY for my clothes. How I style it. I don't know why there's a vacuum here, but there is. But we're going to be doing a DIY slash how I style my clothes slash how I redo my thrifted clothes. So yeah, that is what we're going to be doing. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay. Alright guys, so we are on my bed. You get to see my whole entire room. Basically, there's a bed. So yeah. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need is scissors. That's basically all you're gonna need because this is all I use. Alright, so basically I have this gray sweatshirt thing. This was like $2. So we're just gonna basically crop it. And the way I like to crop stuff is like I like it to be as high as like my pants, I guess, as my lowest pants. So these ones go above my belly button. So I'm gonna kind of guesstimate where that's gonna be on this shirt. So we're gonna cut, I might cut it here. And this had like, I don't know, some stains on here, like rust stains or something. So that is why I am thrifting it. Alright, so this is this one so far. I might cut the neckline depending on what I try it on. We will see, but this is what this one looks like for now. I think the bottom's even. I'm hoping it's even, but yeah, this is what this one looks like for now. And we will see when I try it on, I guess. Alright, so here is this one, cropped. Guys, I like really want to like kind of cut it, but I'm like, is that gonna ruin it? This is what this one looks like. I actually kind of like it. I feel like I cut it a little bit uneven. I feel like I'm gonna have to recut it. But I like it. It's cropped, and I like crop stuff because but yeah. Right, so there's this one. It says Western State Athletic Department. We all know this is something I bought because we all know I'm not athletic at all. So same thing. I'm going to cut it, but I think I'm going to cut this one more because this one looks a little bit longer. So I'm going to sit here and I'm going to cut here. As long as it's underneath the lines, I'm good. But yeah, I'm going to cut here. Alright, I like how this one looks cropped. It looks way better than when it did long because as you can tell, if I'm wearing something long, I like it baggy and those are a bit smaller fitting. So yeah, these ones I don't cut because they're Champion and like they're a little bit more expensive, but because they're baggier, I like them that way, you know? Yeah. Alright, so here is this one. Yeah, I'm still not like a big fan of it, so I think I'm gonna cut the neckline on this one because maybe make it like an off the shoulder top, you know, because I'm like not really into this. So I will be back and we're gonna cut it. So I'm gonna cut this one because it's a little bit smaller fitting and I want it to be bigger. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this one I got like in the junior section because it's like a double XL, but like, girl, this ain't a double XL for nobody. So yeah, I'm gonna cut the neckline. Let's just cut it right off. I'm gonna go, oh wait, I guess that wouldn't make sense, would it? Okay, I'm gonna cut this off. come back and try this on. Okay. See, now we got the off the shoulder thing. Can we, no. See, now we got that going. Oh, it looks kind of cute, you know? So, see, that was what I was going for, was like the off the shoulder type look. See, that looks better, and now you got like a little shoulder action going on. But yeah, I like it better since I cut it. I'm gonna keep this one like this. I like, because it gives it a little bit more space because it's smaller than the gray one. Though next, I found this in my dad's closet. I was really excited when he said he was gonna throw this away because I want it. But it's basically like a long button-up shirt. So I was like, okay, you know what? It's like super big. That's not gonna fly with me. So I was like, it'll look really cute if I cut it and crop it, and then I can wear something underneath it, you know? Because we're multi-purpose and reuse, recycle. So I'm just gonna button this up, make sure it's all good. Okay, I think that's good enough. I'm gonna make sure this one is lined up properly. And, okay, well, it's kind of big. So I think I'm gonna cut above the first button a little bit. Just so I don't cut too much off. I can always go back and cut it. Alrighty, that is definitely crooked. It's definitely crooked. Oh, yep, that is one crooked line. Alright, I'm gonna cut it so it's even. Alright, so that is definitely more even than it was before. Alright, so I will be right back. I'm gonna go try these on and see if they look good. Okay. Wow, guys, just call me DIY queen. Like, please, please. Okay, so here's this one. I like it. Actually, I really like this. It's giving me like 90s vibes kind of things. I think I did a pretty good job thrifting it. Thanks, Dad. But yeah, I think I did a good job. I actually like how this looks. I think I'm gonna do this to a lot of shirts, just like cut it, crop it. Some other shirts I would cut a little bit shorter if it was like a plaid shirt, but this is not plaid. I like it open for this one, so I'm gonna leave this like this. But yeah, wow. I'm a stylist. Hire me, fashion designers, thanks. So yeah, guys, that is going to finish basically the DIY clothes, how I do it. I don't know what you can do with this extra fabric. I don't know. You can, oh guys, let's make a headband. Oh my god, okay. Let's, no, okay. So yeah, that is going to finish the DIY, how I style my clothes, how I reuse, recycle, rewear my clothes, and thrifted clothes. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you guys like me, subscribe down below. And yeah, I love you guys. Do not forget to love yourself. And until next time, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.